Hey guys, this is JSer who is not good at algorithms. In this video, I'm going to take a look at 340.Longest substring with at most k distinct characters. We're given a string, find the length of the longest substring that contains at most k distinct characters. The longest one, right? Yeah, so, I see. So like for E, ECEBA, let's try to say the first letter. Well, it's obviously one character, so it's okay. C, 2, okay. E, 2. Still 2 characters, right? So the length will be 3. We update the max to 3. Now we get B. Because now there are three characters, right? So this cannot be the this cannot be the final solution, final how to say candidate. But we move to the right. If we want to add B, we actually need to remove one letter, right? At most k distinct characters. If we add one, we need to remove one. So we need to remove one. Okay, remove E. Still there are 3, so we need to remove C. And now there are 2. Okay, we're good to go. And now we get A. And then we remove E. So actually it occurs to us that actually we could use a sliding window, right? Keep track of the occurrence with a map. When ouch. When add one and overflowed, remove one from left, right? Cool. So let's create a map. For a map, how can we get the length of size? Oh yeah, the map size is the map. Map size is the length. Okay, create occurrence. How to say the count. New map. Okay. We loop through. We create two pointers like I equals 0. Let j equal 0 means the start and the end. And now when j meets the end, it must be the maximum, right? So while j is smaller than s dot length, j plus 1. Now we need to push j into the sliding window. So while j, okay, so we get the j, right? Which is right. New, no, right character. Sj. The thing is, now we need to check the size of the count, right? If count size is equal to k, then need to remove letters, remove characters from left, right? So while count size bigger than k minus 1, we will remove I, and I plus 1, right? Remove I, remove the letter from character at I, and yeah, I say character J, character I, S, I, and count I, get character I. If count I equal to 1, we map count delete character I. If not, we set it to count I minus 1, right? So we will do this while loop until we find the count size is equal to k, k minus 1, right? So now we can safely push the new character in. No, oh, I made a mistake, man. First I need to say check if it is in it or not, right? If count has character J, then we just set count set character J, count get character J plus 1. If it is not in it, then we need to push into the map, right? When we push, we need to check if it is already it is maximum sized, like k. If it is, then we need to remove at least 1, right? So now we can safely add it to hash map, which means count set character J is 1. Cool. And don't forget, we need to update the size, right? When we set something. Now, let's say let max equals 0. Max equals max j minus I plus 1. And then return max. Let's try to review this one more time before we submit. For ECEBA, we start with 0, both the 0, J0, of course, J0. Now, character is E, because doesn't have E, and the size is 0. So we set it to 1, max update it, which is 1. And then J to C. We do it again. Should we update it to 2? And now check E, because E already there. We just update the count. Okay, so we update it to 3. And now we get B, because B is not in it. And the size is already in the K, same as K. We need to remove 1, right? So the size is bigger than 1. Character I is I, and count I. But count I is 2, so we set it to 1. So we remove 1, but it's still not enough. We return, Wow, would this be infinite loop? Count size 0 if k is 1, and count size is 1. K, what if k is 0? It does say we need to return k equals 0, return 0. Okay, so there will be k will not be 0. So yeah, this will be okay. And when we find the C, it is 1, we delete it, and now count size equals 1. So we can set it to add it. So we got B, EB, and then K go to, at last it go to A, and we will actually get BA, and then the while loop is done. I think it should work. Judging. Time limit. What? Really? Sliding window is not good enough? Huh? Oh, really? I've added to 1. Add 1 here. While loop here. K equals 2. Character. The count I would be get and count if count is 1. We did it. Otherwise we say the character count -1. I don't know why. It seems to me that the power program works well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is time limit? Really? Count I. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot plus I. Man, I slapped my face. I get a 1. Either delete 1 or oh shit. Yeah. Sad. This is very close to a bug-free with 1 pass. Oh yeah, we're accepted. So I think that this is not that difficult. It should be marked as medium, because when we analyze the example from the basic, like from first digit to second digit, we will naturally get to this solution with a sliding window. Let's try to analyze the time and space complexity. For time, okay. For J, 1 letter is traversed, and then I, yeah, it's actually 2 round of linear time. So it's linear time. And then space, we use a map, right? We use a map to keep track of the occurrence. But the map actually has 2 entries, so it's O linear, and the value is just a number, so it's actually constant. Wow, cool. That's all for this problem. Wow, that is so close that I can get it with 1 submission, but I failed. It's a pity. Anyway, hope it helps. See you next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope to make more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.